So one of the things we want to review really quick is the molar mass. So the molar mass is going to be the sum of all the atomic weights of the atoms that are involved in a molecule. And it's going to be represented in grams. So the molar mass is essentially the sum of all atomic weights in grams of all the atoms that are present within a molecule. So if we wanted to calculate the molar mass of potassium phosphate, we could go about this. We know we've got 2 potassiums, and so we need our periodic table to look up the values of the atomic weights. So I've got one here. Hopefully it can focus on this guy. So we can see potassium is 39.10. So we can write that guy in there. And we multiplied it by 2 because there's 2 potassiums in here. There's 1 hydrogen, which is 1.01 atomic mass. There's 1 phosphorus, which is going to be 30.97. And there's 4 oxygens, so we have to have 4 times 16. And this is going to give us our value of the formula weight. So this is essentially the hydrogen, the phosphorus, and the 4 oxygens. And so if we add that all up, we're going to end up getting 174.18. And that's grams. And we say we have to include the formula in these units. So if we really write this out correctly, we would say that the molar mass of potassium phosphate is 174.18 grams of potassium phosphate. So remember, you have to include the molecular formula in that calculation. All right, so that is how you calculate molar masses.